Hi everybody, this is Joe with Joe's Premium Firewood, bringing out a fun-filled, exciting video. Today's video, I'm going to be dropping Jason is going to be dropping a standing dead locust tree out here in the woods. I'm out here with a new employee, Jeff. That's Jason's brother-in-law, and we're going to drop this old 90-foot tall locust tree, and we're using the MS461 with a 20-inch bar. So I guess I'll give Jason the signal to cut her down. He's already made the face cut on it. Hopefully it don't get hung up like normal. Top's starting to move. There it goes a little bit. Oh, hit that tree. Get out of there, Jason. There goes all the top debris. Oh, geez. Took that one down with it. That's what I call two for the price of one, sunshine. Wow, that one must be dead too. Maybe. Hope so. I don't know, but now we're gonna get it all cut up. There's gonna be some darn good firewood here. Let's see how fast this saw goes. And as always, subscribe to my